Smile and this world will smile with you. That is what most of the people will think. Good morning, I am Dr. Thomas Nichupadam from Nichupadam Dental in Cochin, Kerala.
Time won't wait for you. Technology can't be redefined. We are ready to start the game. TQ Watches, your style icon.
And today we are going to speak about smile, more about smile designing. What is smile and what is a smile design? Smile, you know that it is one attire you can wear almost everywhere. Whether you are going to meet your spouse, whether you are going to meet your would-be, or whether you are going for a business meeting, the confidence comes from your smile. If you have a confident smile, and if you have a really bright smile, which you can be really confident of, you will mostly win the hearts of many. So, what happens if your smile is bad? You know that if you have a very bad smile, you will not be confident, even though you would like to be a little more happy around your friends. You will not be confident, especially when you are meeting somebody new. You will not be confident because you will be worried about how your smile looks and things like that. So today we are going to talk about a little bit about smile designing in a nutshell. What is smile designing? A dentist can improve your tooth and also help you to move your lips according to the tooth so that you can get a real good smile. Smile has so many parts to it. One is your dental visibility or the tooth visibility, the white in the smile. Then you have the gum visibility, that is your pink in the smile. And then you have your lip, which actually gives you the contour of the smile. There are people who have lip problems. I'll speak from outside to inside. So you have lip problems wherein your lip is a little drooled, or you have the lip which goes down. If your lip goes down, you know that a sad face looks like that, whereas yes, a happy smile goes up. We all know that. What is that gives you that arc? Have you ever thought about it? The arc is all about your lower lip. It's not the upper lip. It's all about your lower lip. The arc which goes up is your lower lip. And if you have a tooth which actually is according to the lower lip, which is an arc which goes up, then you have a better smile. Most of the people will like about it. There are different types of smiles, according to the tooth which is going according to the arc. If you have a accentuated arc, then it looks as though you are very happy, you are very smiley. Whereas you have an arc. If you have a flat smile, you look more very cutthroat. You have heard that cutthroat people, very sharp people, sharp features are there. There are other people who are actually have an inverted smile arc. Even when they smile, they don't communicate that they are smiling. They have a grin, but they will not be able to smile properly. All these things can be corrected in a dental office using different techniques. So in the next videos which we are going to talk, we will be speaking about each and every aspect of smile designing and how we can achieve it and how we can actually get a better smile. There are different ways to reach the same place. So we will talk about different ways and how it can be utilized in your specific cases. So this is an English video. So there are other videos which are already there about smile designing, which is already done by me, but most of them are Malayalam videos. So these are in my local language, that is in Kerala we speak something called as Malayalam. But this is an English video where you can understand about smile designing and various aspects of smile designing in a detailed way. So this is the first video. So first I'd like to speak about the three components, that is what is your lip, then about the tooth, and then about the gums. So the lip, I told you, in this video I will speak about the lip. We have different problems which can happen on the lip. There will be a lip which is pronounced, there will be a verted lip, the lip comes out actually, the thick lip. Some people like it. Different cultures they like thick lip, some people like thin lips. They like pronounced lip, wherein the lip is actually forward. An African lady will love, African people love an African lady with a thick lip. But most of the people, the beauty concept is having not a very pronounced lip or a very thick lip, but have an ideal lip. So all these things depends upon how projected your tooth is. The upper tooth, if it is too much projected, you will have a thicker lip, and if it is too low, you will have very thin lips, or you will look as though there is no teeth in your mouth. And the third option, third is actually to have a perfect lip, wherein the lip and the teeth has a proper visibility. Because when you speak, some people, you have seen some, I have a lot of patients who has very long lips, wherein there is no visibility of tooth. So we need to correct the tooth accordingly and give some visibility to the tooth. There are people who have a lot of visibility, that is when they smile they will see the tooth and the gums along. That is also, and the gums also will be too much visible, so that also can be corrected. We might have to use a Botox treatment for correcting the lip issues sometimes. Sometimes we need to do some dental treatments like orthodontic treatment to take the tooth back and things like that, or even sometimes we'll have to do aesthetic correction of tooth. The length of the tooth has to be corrected so that the lip support is lessened, and then you'll have a much better smile. So these are the things which we can do to do a lip corrections. So I'll speak about the tooth and the gums, which is our major part. The other ones will come along with the tooth and the gum treatment. The lip will fall or become pronounced according to the tooth itself. So most of the time the lip will catch up, and if it is not catching up, as I told, you can use a Botox and things like that. So please keep watching, please subscribe my channel, and then you will be hearing much more about smile designing and things like that. Thank you very much. Have a great day, have a great smile.
Build your brand globally. Make your venture a success. Unique Times, Premium Business Lifestyle Magazine.